Hi, I'm Chanel,
Hi, I'm Kim.
and we're gonna help you find your perfect match in our date night foundation. I know how difficult it can be when you're in store and you're overwhelmed with all of the options and you don't know how to find your perfect match. But we made it easy for you, and I'm gonna show you on Kim today how you can find that perfect shade that's just right for you. And Kim does have a little bit more of a golden warm undertone, so those are the tones I'm gonna be looking for. But again, we've made this easy for you. We're gonna do this together. So I'm gonna swatch 3 shades in the center of Kim's face. When you're in store, just grab the shades that you think might potentially work for you. Just grab 3 and get to swatching. So we grabbed 3 shades that we think might be the perfect match for Kim. We have the shade 390. You can see it's very close in tone to the center of Kim's face. It has her correct undertone. Wanted to show some other swatches and other options as well. So we have the shade 400 here. You can see it's a lot warmer and a little bit more red pigment. So it's standing out against Kim's skin. And then we have the shade 450 here. It's a lot deeper. It's gonna give a little bit too much depth to her skin. So 390 is gonna be that perfect shade. You want it to melt right in. I know that sounds obvious, but it should be this shade that just blends into your skin like quicksand. Now, if you've done all the swatches in store and you're still not sure how to find your perfect match, we've got you covered. Take a selfie and send it to us, and we'll do the rest of the work for you.